Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can easily add code for your site in Weebly. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just be in Weebly and click here on build and then just find here embed code. Take it and just paste it somewhere on the site where you want to. And here we have it. So now you want to just click edit custom HTML and just add a code there. The second thing I wanted to show you is when you're gonna on Weebly editor, Weebly.com, and you are going to website. Where was it? Settings, overview. Yeah, I can't find it right now. Where was it? Settings. Yeah, here, header code in SEO and settings. So this is how you can add a header and footer code. And that's kind of it. So thank you, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.